Hello students, now we have to learn and understand the topic nutrition in amoeba. So amoeba, that is the unicellular organism. What is unicellular organism? An organism which have only the single cell, and a single cell can perform all the functions. So how this nutrition takes place? So what is the definition of nutrition? Process of taking food by the body of an organism and its utilization. How its utilization takes place, that is known as nutrition. So there are the different steps of nutrition. In our last you can say video we have discussed. So ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So now we will understand these terms in case of amoeba. So in amoeba, only the single cell is there, and the whole surface of amoeba is in the close contact with the outer environment. So that is the amoeba. In the center nucleus is there, and food particle is present outside the body. So firstly, what happened? These are known as the pseudopodia of amoeba. So when food particle come near the pseudopodia of amoeba, then there will be the, you can say, the invagination of these pseudopodia towards the inner side, and this process is also known as endocytosis. This term we already learned in class 9th. Endocytosis. Endo means inside and cytosis means the cell membrane. So when the cell membranes go inside to take the food particle, then it is known as endocytosis. So you can say these pseudopodia go inside, or you can say invagination of these pseudopodia to take the food particle. After that, what happened? This food particle that is there and these two pseudopodia, they join together to form a food vacuole. So this process is known as ingestion. Ingestion means intaking of food. So now food is taken by the amoeba inside its body. So this process is known as ingestion. And how this process takes place? By the invagination of these pseudopodia. And the invagination of pseudopodia is known as endocytosis. Endo means inside and cytosis means the cell membrane. When the cell membrane go inside to take the food. After that, when this food vacuole enter inside the body of the amoeba, then there are the different digestive enzymes present inside it, and these digestive enzymes work on this food vacuole and digestion takes place. You can say the breaking of the complex form of that food into simple form. This process is known as digestion. Then after digestion, what happen? That the simple form of the food, then it is absorbed by the body of the amoeba. For that, what we have to do? We have to firstly draw the arrow in this direction. This is for the digestion and this is for the absorption, we can say, because now that simple form of food is absorbed by the body of the amoeba. After absorption, the next step is the assimilation. Mostly the students confuse with these two terms, absorption and assimilation. So what is the main difference, you can say? Absorption means the simple absorption of that simple form of food by the body, and then assimilation means the use of that food in the body to make other compounds, means that is totally mixed and now it is ready to make other compound for the growth of the body. This is known as assimilation. And finally, what happened? The undigested food that should be removed from the body, and this process is known as egestion. So this is the nutrition in case of amoeba. And nutrition in case of paramecium is also asked. So paramecium, that is also unicellular organism, but there is the one main difference.